Alright, Rodney, wanted to show you something as we're trying to do these tie rod end boots. What I'm going to tell you is that we need to replace the tie rod end. And you'll see here in the upper left of the screen where this has become blackened and rounded. This is actually something that you put a wrench on, but he had to use a blowtorch and several other torches to heat it up enough to break it free. You can see the amount of rust, and this black is actually where parts of it melted, and it's rounded out from him trying to get a wrench on it so much. Really fought him. We need to replace it because this is the screw you turn. This is the bolt you turn to do the alignment. So we'd also be looking at a more timely, costly alignment. I'll get with you about the estimate, how much more that would make it. But you know, as you can see, it's really not a piece that we can interact with without. It's like pulling teeth here. And if you want the car to last, this is something that it's kind of unsustainable. All right.